Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery, and I just did this recently on a 14 by 14 inch canvas covered with mead and black paint that's now dry. I used interferences starting with some Chantilly lace, which is not an interference, but it is a Prizm pour, and I am a Colour Arte affiliate. I'm not sure where this video will show up, if ever, but after I did the other video with the interferences, somebody wanted to buy the stage one, and it was already too late. So I'm going to give myself an opportunity to try and replicate without chips something kind of similar. And I wrote down the order I put things in so I could try and do it the same. This is interference gold. And I think the waggles are important. The little squiggles. Squiggles more than waggles. And next is red. No, that's not red. But this is. Let's make sure that isn't a thing in there. Looks like red is something I'm going to have to mix a little more of soon. I'm trying to go as little as possible, honestly, because I'm going to use my spatula. I don't know if you saw this before. It's pretty much the same exact process it was the first time. I'm going to use green next. I've come to discover that I really am a big fan of green. More so than I thought. Almost enough of that. And I think we have oh, it's blue. I might be going a little overboard. Kind of looks like it. And the violet. And I think I went back at the end of the other one and added a little more gold. But I actually like this stage. I like the marks. And I think I have almost enough paint. And I probably have more than I need. And if I want to, after I smear these around, I'll go back and add the gold again like I did the first time. I'm going to add a little more gold right now because I like the negative space as much as I like anything about this. I like scraping my spatula off along the edge, and we're not going to be able to tell what anything looks like until it's dry. I have a few more lines than I had last time, but I kind of like them. That one not. I remember what I did with the gold now. I added some dots and then I pulled the dots out, and that made an interesting pattern. I hope I left enough room to do that. I'm liking this. I'm hopeful And I'm almost to the point where I can add my dots. I think I'm going to like it. I hope so. I like the thickness I have my paint. It means that if I space my dots far enough apart, they don't overlap each other. Part of me just wants to leave the dots, and I could, and they dry wonderfully well. Maybe I'll just do a few. That didn't wind up staying a dot. I'm not going to waste any of this. This is all too valuable. I see a thing that does not belong. That did not work. So I am inclined to scrape through. Kind of want to see what that looks like a few more places. That might be dangerous. So far so good. Got to change it up a little bit. I think I'm happy with that, actually. So, I've got 33 playlists of 100 videos each, and if you want to access them and you can't find them easily via YouTube, just ask me, because I've also got them organized by topic and genre. Please give me thumbs up, and know that when you watch my videos, the longer you watch, the more chances the algorithm gives my channel of survival. And I'll have to come back and show you guys. Oh, I missed a few. I'll have to come back and show you the dry version and finish what I was saying, and not get too frisky now. I don't want to knock that off on there anymore. Okay, I'll see you in a minute so I can shimmer it at you. I want to do stuff though. You know what, I've got a Q-tip. Do I like that? I don't hate it. That one I hate. I still want to see what a few dots look like. Can't help it. It's just the nature of the beast. Paint's still wet, so it's calling to me. Play with me, come and play with me. Also, it seems to me it distracts the eye from anything that might be considered a mark that doesn't belong, because all the marks do belong. I love how it's drying in front of my eyes. Now you could do this with the sharp end of a skewer too, I think. That would be great. I really like the little tiny dots. Let's hope the colors dry nicely. And even though I could shimmer that at you, I'm not going to. Because it'll be so pretty when it dries. I am pretty sure that I scored with this one. Yay. Alright. Like I said, I'll see you. Get rid of that bubble. I'll see you in a minute. Priscilla out for a second. Okay, I'm back and this is dry and I'm going to try and shimmer it for you. And it didn't take very long. Might have still a few damp spots, but it's absolutely delicious. I hope my friend likes it. I like it, so it doesn't matter. But I thought I would share. Let's turn the light off and see if it still shimmers. Oh, it's still pretty. All right. What did I not tell you guys? Please give me a thumbs up, and when you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them longer, it's the biggest help of all. My paint pouring recipes are below. Show more. I do have an email address. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I obviously sell my artwork, and I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Keep your eye out for the link tree. My Amazon link with my 2 books are on it. Thank you to all the members keeping my channel alive, and those of you who use PayPal and Patreon to make a donation to help me purchase art supplies so I can keep bringing you tutorials. Spring clothing, our spring stuff. Spring is under the video, and the Gallery Society 6 and Pixels.com, Fire in America, all that stuff. And you can have a reproduction, or you can have my artwork reproduced on things, which is cool, so go check it out. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links also on the link tree. And no, I love you guys. You inspire me always, and I'll see you on maybe tomorrow at 2 p.m. You can check my community board to see if what's it coming up tomorrow tonight. Usually. Cross your fingers. All right, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.